Hello, welcome to pH Chemistry. Today's explainer is alkalis, soluble bases that release hydroxide ions and push pH above 7. By the end of this, you'll know the common ones, what makes them basic, and how they react with acids. An alkali is a base that dissolves in water and releases hydroxide ions, OH-. The most common are sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, and calcium hydroxide. They neutralize acids. The H plus from the acid joins the OH minus to form water. Three things. 1. Alkalis release hydroxide ions in water. 2. All alkalis are bases, but not all bases are alkalis, only the soluble ones. 3. pH of an alkali is above 7, and concentration of OH minus controls how alkaline it is. Common slip, calling every base an alkali. CuO, copper oxide, is a base. It neutralizes acid, but it's insoluble in water, so it's not an alkali. Soluble base in water equals alkali. Insoluble base equals still a base, but not an alkali. Quick example, sodium hydroxide dissolves NaOH goes to Na plus OH minus. Mix it with hydrochloric acid, HCl. So NaOH plus HCl goes to NaCl plus H2O. The H plus from the acid pairs with the OH minus from the alkali, forming water. That's neutralization. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks across maths, physics, biology and chemistry. One for every higher topic in each subject, with every answer fully worked and every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.